In our previous videos, we have started arithmetic progression and we also discussed some properties, concepts. So quick revision before moving forward, we'll do quick revision. What is A? A is the first term. D is common difference. And what is N? N is the number of terms. And last term is nth term is given, so we'll write an as the nth term. Okay, now we have to find out the sum. Sn will be the sum of n terms, right? Now what are the formulas we have discussed in our last class? So we have to find out an. Nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for nth term. Any number of term we can find out. So and Sn will be equal to n upon 2 first term plus nth term. Okay, and we have to find out the sum of n terms. Okay, so first and last terms we can write. Otherwise we know the first and last term, that time there is one more formula that we can use, that is n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so this is the formula. This we can use when we know the first term and the number of terms we know. You have difference, common difference we know. But if we don't know the common difference, direct we know the first term and the last term, a and n is known, then that time we can use this formula, first term plus last term multiplied by n upon 2. That will be the value of sum of n terms, right? Now we'll do one sum based on this concept, and the question is, the income of a person is 3 lakhs, okay, in the first year. Okay, it means A is the first term is 3 lakhs. Now he receives an increase of 10,000 to his income per year. Matlab common difference, every year 10,000 he is getting. Okay, it's increasing. So in second year it will be a plus d, like 3 lakhs 10,000. In third year it will be a plus and I mean a plus 2d, that will be 3 lakhs 20,000. like this it's going for next 19 years. Okay, and what you have to find out, next 19 years means there are total 20 terms. This is the first term and there will be 20 terms, so it means n will be 20. Okay, so find out the total amount he receives in 20 years. So what you have to find out, you have to find out the sum of n, his sum of 20 you have to find out. Okay, so S20 will be equal to 20 n upon Sn is equal to n upon 2. Okay, and common difference we know, so we can write down like this. Okay, so 20 upon 2 multiplied by 2 into a, that is 2 into 3 lakhs. Okay, plus n minus 1, so 20 minus 1 will be 19 and d is 10,000. Okay, so what value will be getting? This will be 10. Okay, and multiplied by 3 lakhs into 2, that will be 6 lakhs. Okay, plus 19 into 10,000, so it will be 1,90,000. Okay, so this will be 6 lakhs plus 1,90,000 will be 7,90,000. And again we are multiplying by 10, we'll get 79 lakhs. Okay, so this will be the total value that the person will get after, I mean in total he received in 20 years, how much amount, how much money he is receiving. So that this is the amount. Okay, now we'll move to the next thing, that is now we'll talk about arithmetic mean, the next concept. वो क्या कहता है, what is arithmetic mean? See, arithmetic mean, we can also write this as AM. Okay, now if we have two terms, two numbers we are having A and B, ठीक है, small a and b, two numbers we are having. So what we have to do, we have to insert some numbers that are such that ये सारे numbers A से लेकर B तक all numbers are in AP. A and capital A1, capital A2, okay, A3 dot 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 a n तक हमने लिया, we have taken. So now these are n terms and a1. So total how many terms are there now? We have number of terms n plus 2 number of terms. Okay. Now based on this one we have to find out the value of d. So b is the last term. It means b is equal to a, the first term, plus n minus 1. So here total number of terms is n plus 2. So n plus 2 minus 1 into d. Okay, which formula we are using here? This formula, a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So this is n plus 2th term. Okay, so your total numbers are n plus 2. So here b is what? B is basically n plus 2, n plus term, this term. Okay, so basically we can write a n plus 2, ये term है b. Okay, so b will be equal to a plus n minus 1 d. कब use करते हैं? When the number of term we are talking about nth term, तब n minus 1 d लिखते हैं. This is n plus 2th term, so n plus 2 minus 1, that will be n plus 1 d. So it will be a plus n plus 1 d. This is equal to b. Then we can write b minus a will be n plus 1 d. This implies, it means what? D ka value we have to find out. D ka value will be b minus a upon n plus 1. This will be the value of d. Now based on this one, a1, a2 सबकी value हम find out कर सकते हैं. How? a1 is the second term, so a plus d. a2 is the third term, so a plus 2d. a3 is the fourth term. This is first, second, third, fourth. So a plus 3d. Why fourth term के लिए we are writing 3d? Because n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So now we'll put the value of this. A plus d का value will be b minus a upon n plus 1. This will be equal to a plus 2 b minus a upon n plus 1. This will be equal to a plus 3 into b minus a upon n plus 1. Okay. Now similarly, if we have added n terms here. Between a and b, a is the first term, b is the last term, and in a and b के बीच में we have entered, हमने n terms हमने add किया है. So it will become n plus 2 terms, and such that ऐसा add किया है such that a and a1, a2 all are a to b, every numbers, all the numbers are in, all the terms are in AP, right? So a n will be equal to a plus n minus, this is n plus 1th term na, so this will be n plus 1 term, matlab n. Okay, n plus 1 term, n plus 1 minus 1 will be n d. So a plus n into b minus a upon n plus 1. Okay, so this will be. And now the main thing that we should discuss here is, ये तो हमने बहुत सारे terms डाले तब, but when we are putting only one term, if a and b are two numbers, such that we have to put one term here. हमने capital A डाला. So what? Such that a small a, capital A and b, this will be called as arithmetic mean. Why? I'll tell you. Because a and b के बीच ये जो capital A है, ये such that all three numbers are in AP. मतलब the difference, there should be difference in A, capital A minus A should be equal to B minus A. Why? Because common difference, A में हमने A add किया, we are getting this one. इस A में we are adding difference, common difference will get B. Okay, so it means this A and this A will keep together. A plus A will be equal to B, and ये इधर जाएगा, it will be B plus A. It means 2A, 2 capital A is equal to A plus B. Then A will be equal to A plus B upon 2. Okay, so this is the arithmetic mean. Okay, why we are calling it as arithmetic mean? Because this is the average. A will be, when we are adding, we are entering any term between A and B such that all the three numbers will become in AP, that are in AP. A and B के बीच हम कोई भी ऐसा number डालते हैं such that all the three terms become are in AP. Then the middle term, that is arithmetic, that term will be called as the arithmetic mean of these these two numbers A and B ka arithmetic mean. It means A will be called as the arithmetic mean of A and B. Why? Because this is the average. We are just adding both and dividing by 2. So this is called the average. This is the average. So arithmetic mean between two numbers A, B as their average A plus B upon 2. Okay. We'll take one example. If we have numbers 4 and 16, so we have to add a number here. So how we'll add this? So what will be the number such that these are in AP? So A will be equal to A plus B upon 2, and A is 4, B is 16 upon 2, this will be 20 upon 2, and that is 10. So A will be 10. Now check, 4, 10 and 16, are they in AP? Yes, because when we are adding 6 we'll get 10, when we are adding 6 we'll get 16. So these three numbers are in AP. Okay, I hope you understood these concepts and use sums also. So now what we'll do, we will discuss some more, one more question we'll do. Okay, if we are inserting, there is one question, if we insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24, okay, such that the resulting sequence in AP. So we have to find out all those 6 numbers. So 3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and 24. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है AN will be equal to ND. Okay, A plus ND. So A is 3 and this is B. So we'll write here A, this is A and this is B. Okay, so AN, so A1 is equal to A plus D. Okay, and difference is what is the difference? We don't know the difference. Then how we'll do this? First of all, see, this is 3 plus D. Okay, and what is the D? What is the value of D? कैसे हम find out करेंगे? We'll see, AN का हम value find out करेंगे, because N का value is, see, this, by this formula we'll find out the value of, see, this is the formula, D is equal to B minus A divided by N plus 1. We'll find out the value of D. So D is equal to B minus A upon N plus 1. Okay, so B minus 1 upon N plus 1, B is 24 and A is 3, and divided by N plus 1. 6 terms we have added. So sorry, total terms कितने हैं? This is N plus 2. Total terms are N plus 2. N मतलब 6. So 6 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 मतलब 7. So this is 21 upon 7, that is 3. So D is equal to 3. हमने find out कर लिया. Now we can find out value of A1. A1 will be A plus D. A is 3 and D is 3, 6. A2 will be a plus 2d, a3 will be a plus 3d, a4 will be a plus 4d, a5 will be a plus 5d, and a6 will be a plus 6d. Okay, now this will be 3 plus 2 into 3, that is 3 plus 6, that is 9. Now this is 3 plus 3 into 3, 3 plus 9 will be 12, 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 12 will be 15, 3 plus 5 into d is 3, so 3 plus 15 will be equal to 18. Now 3 plus 6d है ना, तो 6 into 3, d का value is 3, so it will be 3 plus 18 will be equal to 21. Okay, so the numbers are 3 and 24 starting में है, so 3 we have 3 and 24, sorry 24. So बाकी के बीच के numbers क्या है, that is 6, 9, 12, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So these are the 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है. So the 6 numbers between 3 and 24 will, are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay, I hope you understood till this sum, and after that we'll start exercise 9.2. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.